back to my channel. You probably just seen in one of my day in the life vlogs, I made a mess while cooking dinner. So welcome to our after dinner clean with me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chanel and I am a working mommy of one. I currently work in HR management in the healthcare industry, and I like to make lifestyle videos, beauty. I love clean with me's and day in the life videos. I guess I will show you my kitchen right now. I mean, it's really not that bad, but my stovetop definitely needs to be cleaned. I made some ground beef tacos, and so everything's just kind of messy for the most part. My husband is over there behind Ellie's new animal. What did she name him? Chico? What did she name him? Earlier she said Chico the bunny. Oh, Nuko? Something like that. Nuna? Okay. Anyways, he's watching a UFC fight over there. But yeah. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I definitely want to make more content. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this. That really does help me figure out what kind of videos I should, continue to post. I feel like my channel's been all over the place lately. But also leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with everyone. This has been a whole lot of fun. So yeah. So basically what I am doing here is I am just packing away all of the different items that I use to make this evening's meal. What I have done is I've actually cut up some bell peppers and cut up the onions and basically prepped it for the remainder of the week, so that when it's time for me to make dinner, it's much more efficient and my items are already cut, either diced or sliced, and it's just easier for me to go ahead and throw everything together instead of spending that extra 30 minutes to an hour for kitchen prep. So what I have done here is I've used my soapy sponge with an antibacterial soap, and I just wiped down the countertops first. I know you've seen that some of the meat had spilled over onto the counters, so that's what I did to disinfect. And then I came back with my Method degreaser in the lemongrass scent, and I sprayed that whole thing down and wiped it off. Our stovetop is not in the best condition. That's mainly because the previous owners of the house did not take the best care of the stovetop, so we are in the process of possibly buying a new one. I will be honest with you, it's probably going to take us a while because we have other renovations that we want to do as well. So basically I'm just doing the same thing as I was doing earlier. I could not find the top to this container for the life of me, and I didn't have any more little containers such as that. So what I did is I just threw the red onion in a little baggie and put the baggie back in the refrigerator for us to use the next day. Super quick and easy. Same thing with those red bell peppers. Since we don't have a whole lot of counter space, I just wanted to organize some of these files here, get them all out of the way so that they don't get compromised. So question for you. Who uses gloves to wash the dishes and who doesn't? Leave me a comment down below. I'm actually curious. I know people who never utilize gloves when they do their dishes. It's just off of personal preference. I know that I personally use the gloves because I like to use my water scalding hot, and I feel like the gloves just protect my hand in that process. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. I'm very curious. all have seen me clean out the sink many a times. I pretty much did that already, but what I did was I dumped some essential oils down the drain and within the sink, and it just helps to give a clean, very fragrant scent. I love doing this step. So my husband actually started to help me clean off some of the countertop items and stick things back into the drawers. He does this all the time, I'm not even going to lie. He's very helpful when it comes to a lot of the chores. There may be a few things that I complain about, but for the most part, he's pretty helpful, you guys. Pretty helpful. Then once that was pretty much done, I went through with my microfiber towel and my antibacterial spray and just wiped down all of the countertops. I usually do this after I cook just because, you know, we cook meat and, you know, it's easy to get bacteria everywhere. I was so excited to show you guys this. This is my new baby. You all know how I hate using a broom. It's very similar to that, except it traps everything on the inside. So when you push it forward, those bristles spin and it traps all of the dirt. I love using this. It is amazing. So next, I'm just going forward with wiping down my lovely table with my favorite wood polish, the Method wood polish in the almond scent. Smells super, super yummy. This is the polishing one. They do have a wood cleaner. I don't know why I didn't buy the wood cleaner. I'm actually contemplating on whether or not I should pick it up. But here you see Brielle got food all over the chair, and so I had to go through and give it a good wipe. And then I'm telling you guys, this new little broom thing that I have is so stinking handy. I love being able to just use it throughout our house because the crumbs get everywhere since we have no carpet. So here's the final product. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you next time.